Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to trade futures on Bitget. Right? So first up, if you have your money or your coins under your spot account, you're going to want to transfer it to your futures account. Okay? Just basically click on transfer right here, transfer your crypto, and select from spot to what? USDM futures or USDCM futures. Okay? Coin and futures right here, USDTM futures. Okay, so once you have your money, you can go ahead and go back to the futures right here or the futures section. Okay, let's say we have here USDTM futures. Now just go ahead and select the other pair. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to be using BTC USDT right here. Click on it. So once you're in here, as you can see here, we have the chart from TradingView. You can go ahead and view the candlesticks right here. Okay, if you want to. And then once done, you go ahead and place an order. We're just going to the top right. Okay. Let's just go ahead and open a demo trading account right here, just for you to see. Okay, and if you want to as well, you go ahead and use a demo trading. Okay, and these ones right here, or this chart, is also live. Okay, you can go ahead and play around with demo trading. So if you are, or if you want to place an order, just go ahead and go to the top right. Here we have open, close. Okay, open, limit, market, post only, or trading stop, scaled order, iceberg, swap, trigger. You have a ton of options, but we're just going to talk about limit and market right here. So choose limit if you want to set a price, okay, or market for instant execution. Select the margin mode right here. It could be a cross, 10x, okay, isolated. It's up to you. If you want to select isolated, the margin for the position is restricted to that position only, okay, or cross, while the margin is shared across all positions, okay, just basically select from one of these options. You'd select 10x as well if you want to. If you want leverage, okay, adjust the leverage, keeping it low or as low as 10x to 10x for beginners. Use this slider right here. Hit on confirm. Now just enter the amount of crypto that you wanted to trade. For example, you have the slider right here as well, okay, which you can go ahead and use. And by the way, at the very bottom, you'll have your assets right here listed. Okay. If you want to set TPSL, by the way, or take profit and stop loss to manage risk. Okay, ROI, it could be ROI or price, change or PNL, same as stop loss. Okay, take profit at this amount, stop loss at this amount. That's just basically it. So open long or open short. Click open long if you expect prices to rise, or open short if you expect them to fall. So let's say I'm just going to click on open long. Confirm. And then once done, here you have your order or positions. Okay, just basically monitor active positions in the position tab. This one, you can close positions right here or flash close or even reverse. TPSL here as well. Okay, it's up to you. Now, if you have multiple positions right here open, well, just basically click on close all or just basically close. Okay, you'll have the profit right here and the fee as well. Okay, to keep that in mind. And that is it. That's just how easy it is to trade futures here on Bitget. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.